flip-flops. That's exactly what I want to see out on the streets, right? Flip-flops. They're nasty feet. Flipping and flopping is what I want to see. That right there is another biker. I don't know if you guys can see it through the front door reflection, but yeah, he's on one of those BMW GX70 534 touring ugly ass bikes. Let's see, ugly to me, but pretty to others. So you gotta remember that too. Just because I find something ugly doesn't mean it's actually ugly, is it? Well, maybe it is. Maybe it is. So we're man, I'm tired. Well, I'm not tired. It's just exhausting being in all this gear, and it's exhausting. Anyways, this is Riding Insane. What is up? And today we are filling up some pre-workout for Nimbus. And that dude is riding with another chick, but he told her to get the F off, and he left by himself, and the chick is now walking. So that's kind of sad. Come on. Today we're gonna get her overdosed on pre-workout, because we got a long day ahead of us. No worries, see? Nothing came outside. All of it fell inside to the overage area. If you have too much gas, I don't know. I really don't care. It is hot. Or it's warm. It's not hot, it's warm. Alright, you want a receipt? No, I do not want a receipt. After you miss one receipt, you lose the love for it. Is that the guy? No, that's another rider. Alright, so you ready to clown or what? You ready to clown or what? I was gonna say hi to her or whatever, you know, because she's still part of the riding family, I guess. But it was too much work to stop and turn my head 90 degrees to the right, and I just want to ride. I was in the way of these Karens, so just to be safe, scooted a little back. For some reason, it feels like the butt plug in my left ear is kind of sticking out, because I can hear the bike a lot louder on my left side than my right side. So let's see if we can pull over and fix that. I just gotta stick my pinky or my finger up in there, because I really feel like my left butt plug in my ear plug is a little bit out than it should be, which is possible. That's a huge nail. I'm just gonna pause right here very quickly. Not a big deal. Take this out. Take this out. Alright, there you go. That worked out. Okay, I think that should be better. So what was happening was I could hear the bike on my left side. So what happened probably was when I was putting on my helmet, that's when, since this is a nice snug fit, that it must have pushed out the earplug or the butt plug in my ear, which is cool. It happens, not a big deal. Not a big deal. Fixed it like a boss. My helmet's snug on my fat head like gross. There you go. That feels better. And that feels way better. So let me get acclimated a little bit. Let me get on the streets a little bit, and then we'll get this party started. And I don't know why I came up so close to this car. Usually I give a, you know, huge space, but we're just getting ready for today, man. We're getting ready for today. We're just getting ready for today. But my life is going really well right now because things are going sexy. We're still doing the build series. We're still doing all sorts of jammy jams, and I'm gonna share it all, man. And I'm getting hot. I'm so glad I didn't wear a pullover. Otherwise, the booty would be toasting right now. But we're not on Ducati, so our cakes are not in the oven just yet. All right, our cakes are not in the oven just yet. I'm sure they will be in the oven very soon, but at this very moment, they are not in the oven. Nobody's baking anything, man. Our buns are secure. Our buns are secure, dog. Please? You want to be a slut like that? Alright then. Be a slut like that. Open for them, not for me? Alright then. Doesn't make any sense. Open both lefts together. That makes sense. Why would you open one, not the other? Doesn't make sense. Now they have to stop because we want to turn. Doesn't make any sense. He was too busy staring at my booty, so he didn't turn. I gotta start moving, otherwise I can't stop talking. Or start talking about other things because I'm getting hot. We had 211, I'm getting hot. I'm getting hot, and the zipper is tying it, digging into my manly stuff. Come on, man! I'm roasting here. Come on, man. I'm finna just turn, man. I'm finna just turn. Seriously, you're not gonna open? What the hell? What the hell, man? Alright, I am getting hot. I'm getting hot. So we got a Porsche Carrera and a Ferrari, so let's go snoop next to them before we get back on the road. So see, you're still guys gonna see all the awesomeness of riding a motorcycle. I forgot which one it was. I think it was this one. You'll see all the cool stuff of, you know, riding around. And I don't wanna, they wanna take pictures, so I don't wanna ruin the, that's cool. That was nice. I wanted to move out the way so I can go by, but it's okay. We just wanted to ride by it. I don't care about supercars that are just sitting around. What am I supposed to do with that? We're not interested like that. We want to see pretty things in motion. All right, pretty things in motion. Pretty things in motion is what we want to see.
We're the boys. We're the boys in motion. We give you our devotion, boys. We're the boys in motion.
Anybody remember that from That's So Raven? I still remember that. But yeah, we don't care about the 918 Spider or whatever the crap that is unless it's moving, man. We don't care about it unless it's moving. Jigsaw. I do want to see it again because it was pretty. The 918, it was gray, I believe, with neon accents, which was really pretty. Pretty. The Ferrari wasn't anything that frowned about because I don't give them. Those Ferraris, I don't think they're gorgeous. They're that pretty. They're so gorgeous, but not as good as like a Lamborghini or the 918 Spider. I think the 918 Spider looked a lot better. But it's okay. We still give it love. We still give it love. We still give it love. He won't even look at me. I stopped in the neutral and I turned my head around, my noggin around, and this homie won't even look at me, man. Who do you think you effing around with? Who do you think you're riding around with, huh? Who do you think you're sharing these streets with, huh? He didn't even wave to him. F you, dog. Shelby? Yeah, that thing's a Shelby. Or a Cobra or whatever that thing's called. See, we gotta be moving because it's nice and cold. As soon as I stop, I get hot. The body gets warm and the buns start to get toasted. We don't want that. We don't want the buns to get toasted just like that. We want to get the buns toasted for a reason. Alright, there has to be a reason that they're getting toasted or roasted and they're getting baked in the oven, man. Alright, we ain't cooking stuff for no reason. We're cooking stuff for a damn reason. Any shorties? No. These are like shorties for if you were like 95 years old. Then you would find what this stuff is pretty. for all you old people out there. And for all you people with like foot fetish, there you go. Flip-flops. That's exactly what I want to see out on the streets, right? Flip-flops. They're nasty feet. Flipping and flopping is what I want to see. I think there's an auto rate back there, but I can't tell. I think there is. Yeah, that's an auto rate. We got 2 other riders, but I want that auto rate. I'm pretty sure the auto rate is gonna go here. Both of you guys, man. When I pass somebody, I always wave. Where's the auto rate? I don't know where it's at. I don't give an F. I can't tell. I thought I was gonna turn here.